Welcome to Master Sheets. In this video, I will go over the sum function and how to use it. Pretty much, as you probably guessed, the sum function sums up a bunch of numbers. It will add up whatever you put into it. To use this, I made a little convenience store inventory chart that tells how much we sold on each day. For example, Monday we sold 17 Pokeballs, 20 Great Balls, 90 Great Balls. Tuesday we sold 84 Pokeballs, 83 Great Balls. That's kind of the gist of it. To start this sum function, press equal, sum, opening parenthesis, and then you highlight your area that you want it to add up. Close parenthesis. On Monday, we sold a total of 425 items. If you want to drag that function over without typing it out to the other ones, you just hold down the right bottom corner of the cell, drag it over there, and we see that because it's not anchored, this is referencing that instead of referencing the original data that we had highlighted. It just kind of drags it over column by column. If we want to see how many of each item we sold throughout the week and which one is kind of our best seller, we just do it horizontally instead of vertically. We can do the same thing and drag it down. Notice if I were to anchor it, you press F4. If I then drag it down, it will all equal that because, as you can see here, it's referencing cell C10 to H10. That means every single one of these, even though we drug it down, is referencing those cells. If you want to get rid of the anchoring, you just press F4 until all those dollar signs are gone. We drag it down. Yeah, you guys didn't think this video was going to be about anchoring. It's not supposed to be. But I just wanted to explain that. Let's see how many items we sold through the whole week. If we add that up, that means all of this is 2,949. A handy trick that you can do is if you highlight an area of data, on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you can see it will sum it up for you. It will add all of that data up, and it's quite handy. We can see that my sum function over here is correct because once I highlighted all of the data, it came back as identical. Now, when you do the sum function, you don't always have to do it by the column or by the row. You can just go straight for it, highlighting all the data that you want to include. You could also do it all individually, separated by a comma. I don't know why any of you would want to do this. It's very inconvenient, but if you had a lot of data separated, not in a pretty little box like this, this might just be the way to do it. The problem with doing this is you may lose track of what you've counted and what you have not counted. We'll see right now if I counted right. No, I did not. Somewhere within here, it got lost in all those commas, and it looks like it added a few numbers to this. So just know, if you choose to do it like that, you may mess up. Human error. Notice, if you were to put a negative number in there, it will subtract it. It will still add it. It'll add the negative number, but your overall number might be a little less because of that. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and post it below. For more tips and tricks and videos on how to do these functions, visit my channel, Master Sheets. gotta watch them all.